In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft To Do with Google Calendar. To make this connection work, we're going to go through Outlook. Microsoft To Do automatically syncs with your Outlook calendar when you're using the same Microsoft account. So by connecting Outlook to Google Calendar, you'll see your to-do events and tasks inside Google Calendar as well. Start by opening your Outlook account in a web browser and signing in. Once you're in your mailbox, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the small gear icon. This is your settings button. Click on the gear and a settings panel or pop-up will appear on the right-hand side. In the settings panel, look for the section that lets you manage your calendar settings. If you see a View All Outlook Settings option, click that, then go to the Calendar section. In the calendar settings, find and select Shared Calendars. This is where we'll generate a special link that Google Calendar can use to read your Outlook events. In the Publish a Calendar section, use the first drop-down field to select the Outlook calendar you want to sync. This is usually named something like your default calendar, but you might have multiple calendars, so choose the one that contains the tasks or events you care about. Next, choose the level of permissions, typically something like Can View All Details, so Google Calendar can see everything it needs. Then, click the Publish button. After publishing, Outlook will generate two types of links for you, an HTML link and an ICS link. We want the ICS link because that's the format Google Calendar can subscribe to. Click the ICS link and then copy it to your clipboard. Now open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. On the left-hand side, find the Other Calendars section. Right next to that label, you'll see a small plus icon. Click the plus, then choose the option that says From URL. In the field that appears, paste the ICS link you just copied from Outlook. You'll also see an option to make the calendar publicly accessible. Only check this if you truly want others to be able to access it. For most people, leaving it unchecked is safer. When you're ready, click Add Calendar. You should see a small confirmation message at the bottom of the screen saying that the calendar was created. On the left panel, under Other Calendars, you'll now see your Outlook calendar listed. Your Microsoft To Do tasks that appear in Outlook will now show up in Google Calendar and they'll stay in sync going forward. And that's it. You've successfully connected Microsoft To Do with Google Calendar.